Hey everybody, welcome to the Ridgway world. I'm Jeff, and our hearts and prayers go out to the people in Florida and South Carolina from the impact of Hurricane Ian.
Yeah.
It's still wreaking havoc up the coast, so again, hearts and prayers to everybody out there. Total devastation. So,
Okay.
okay?
Yeah.
And my lovely wife Terry, I don't want to leave her.
Hi guys.
No kisses?
No, I usually do them a kiss at the end.
Oh, okay. So today we're reacting to Larry's Lounge or Uncle Larry's video, and it's called I Didn't Do It or Just Did It. What was that?
I think it said I didn't do it.
I didn't do it. Oh, okay.
But by the thumbnail, I can tell that there's some discovery here.
Yeah, I'm sure there is.
So we're going to give our reaction to hopefully
Something that's going to
Joe's
crack us up.
discovering this.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
So don't forget your earplug in, huh?
I'm still a novice. Okay.
Fire away.
What's up?
So what was that all about?
It's just, just typical boys being boys.
Oh, really? Yeah.
Right to the fridge.
Isn't that something?
Yeah.
Let me pause this for a second.
It was no big
How do you
deal?
feel about people going into the fridge on somebody else's house, even if they're very comfortable?
I have a problem with
it. Do you have a problem with that?
I have a problem is people sit there and they open a refrigerator and they stare at it too. For no apparent reason. Probably know exactly what's in there, but people open it just to look in it. And that really bothers me too.
Yeah, I mean, it doesn't bother me if it's like Jesse or JT or anybody in the family, but if some friend comes in and doesn't ask for
It just
something,
wants to
just
eyeball
goes
the
in.
fridge, yeah.
And look, he's going right into the closet.
Right.
I'm sorry, I just had to.
No, I don't blame you. That
Okay.
pisses me off too.
No. So they were fighting upstairs, but so their bedroom. I moved the boys' bedroom over to the bigger room for Jameson and Bodie.
Right.
So they're
was talking
upstairs
about
messing around,
kids.
but
Yeah.
upstairs is right
I was
above
kind of
the
figuring
room.
that out too.
And when they jumped on the bed, it sounded so loud. When half the TV fell off the wall, and Nat thought they did it on purpose, so she was freaking out. So she called me to come over there and kind
Fell
of.
off the wall.
Yeah. It just fell off
The
the
TV?
bracket. The bracket fell off.
Who put that up? You?
That's not important.
Well, boys will be boys
There's
sometimes, you know?
screws in the back.
But that's pretty hard to knock a TV off the
It
wall.
was
If
the
it's,
TV off.
it is a
Did it
TV.
break the TV?
No. Somehow it did not break the TV. It fell over top the bed, so that's lucky, I guess.
Wow, usually, I mean, like, you could go like
Yeah,
that
and it would break TV. Yeah.
Right.
No, but it's a little bit older though, so it's an older LCD TV, so it's not the best. It
Doesn't
wouldn't
matter.
matter. But I mean, either way, when we go there, I rehung it, make sure everything's secure. Everything's
Nobody
good
got
to
hurt,
go.
right? That's all that
so,
matters.
yeah,
Who
just,
hung it to begin with?
that's neither here nor there. It's not important. I don't remember. to be honest
I'm
with
just
you.
saying, if the guy that rehung it was the guy that hung it,
Well, it's probably Larry probably hung it because doesn't he do all the work at Joe's house?
I don't know.
I thought he did. He always
I don't know anything
says Joe's
about
always
that.
having him come over to do the work.
It wasn't me.
Plumbing, electrical.
you have a TV above the bed, so it's like
No,
they're laying in bed and they gotta go like this?
No, it was just the way that I had to set their room up.
Oh, you rearranged it?
Yeah, no, well, so I changed the room. So their Carson had
Oh,
the
so
bigger
this is-
bedroom,
this
and
is
then
just-
Jameson
this is
and Bodie
about,
shared a smaller bedroom, so I switched
The
them.
kids having a problem?
So I put
guess.
all of Jameson and Bodie stuff into the one room.
Oh, I like his shirt. His
They
shirt
were-
says the
were
Goonies
Carson.
will never die.
Right.
You love the Goonies.
Yeah.
Ridiculous.
And so they had.
Hey, you guys!
What's wrong with you?
My shoulder has been killing me all day, dude.
Did you-
So they
Yeah,
had
I heard-
bunk
I heard
beds, right? Carson, your Jameson and Bodie.
Right.
So I took them apart and moved them into the
No.
other room, so it was bigger. And then, but the TV.
Which one did he say?
There was two beds out of the where the TV was.
He pointed to his left
How
shoulder.
do you have the TV up?
No, I didn't think.
That's like too coincidental.
You twerked it when you
He didn't point.
Yeah,
Hits
yeah,
his
yeah,
right
yeah,
shoulder.
yeah.
That's where he stuck the
Yeah.
needles.
He pointed to his right shoulder? Oh, yeah, it's my left.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, there is. He's holding it right there.
It is, man, but it hurts. Like, I can't.
Wait, like hyperextended or something?
Does it hurt when you go like if you go like a slow motion?
That's so great.
How about
It's right there.
How about the other way?
You,
Yeah.
you really think that maybe it really works?
I bet you
Yeah,
have
it's some-
bursitis.
Huh?
It's just weird.
Yeah, where's
Right,
bursitis?
it's precise.
I had that
It's
on
just
my shoulder.
Oh, he's
coincidental.
got.
Sometimes, like,
You
feel
mean
like
just
they're
so happens
almost
that
like
he
the
has
arms
an
can't
issue
Well,
with
that's what
his
he's saying. I
shoulder?
don't know
move.
for
Your
sure.
little Bursi sacs that you have in there, and it's inflammation. Anything with itis.
Anything with itis?
And it just like if you just take something
Dr.
like
Abraham?
or
No, a leave
It
is
will
wonderful.
Oh,
Right.
eventually get better, yeah.
So that's it, and yours just goes
As
away?
long as it's not a torn rotator cuff.
Bursitis,
But
that's horrible.
if it happened from, because well,
I mean,
bursitis
Those two are like an old married couple, aren't
repetitive
they?
motion.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that wasn't that. I wasn't doing that long. You know what I mean? I don't know, and I don't. But I can't even like even if I left it like that.
That's so
right
good.
Here, and it shoots down right here.
If it was,
That
that would have been
is-
so
It
great.
sounds exactly like bursitis.
That's
Yeah,
uncanny.
if it's up here for a second, it might be okay, but it really hurts.
I was put
What
on
do you say?
Relafin for that.
What is
Relevant.
It's kind of like a leave. It's a little like it.
An anti-inflammatory
or something like that.
right?
It's a-
But is it a cream or is it a pill?
What is
I think it's a pill.
Oh, well.
It's an
There you
anti-inflammatory.
go, anti-inflammatory.
And I can remember mine would get locked up. Like I'd be sitting down like this, and all of a sudden I'd go and I'd be like, oh, like that, and they'd go, yeah. Bursitis is nasty, yeah. It's a good thing it's not your knee though, right? Then you'd be blaming the voodoo doll. I don't think it's from putting the
Oh, they-
spices up in the
okay.
cabinet. That doesn't make any sense.
You see Joe's face on that when he said that, though?
Man, maybe I stepped in it wrong.
I mean, come on,
He's a
dude.
little worried.
Like,
Yeah.
Look. Oh, let me take stuff out of here.
yeah, but if I'm reaching
Let
up
me
here,
put it
look,
over here.
like if I'm reaching up here, like that's exactly where it would be.
Well then,
And but it is funny. My knees actually I feel like youthful. I was just thinking today how good my knees have actually felt. Like I can do it.
Do that again, Joe.
Yeah. Next time, take dance
it's
lessons.
like, yeah, like
Like it's in major
if you
pain.
get a
No,
cut
it's
somewhere,
major pain.
something's like it hurts.
It goes, that hurt? Does that hurt?
You hit yourself,
How
yeah.
does that feel now?
Yeah.
Now I can't feel
Oh,
my
that
knee.
feels a lot better when my finger
My
feels like
pinky's,
crap.
my
Yeah.
pinky's broken.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
So he
Maybe
legit hurt his shoulder.
maybe something like that.
Well, he was just horsing a TV around, supposedly, right?
You know, mine over.
Do you need a beer?
No,
But it's just so, it's just
It's
coincidental.
all coincidental, I agree.
Your back hurts?
Yeah,
From what? Oh yeah, from just working.
I
yeah.
don't know, there could be
But my
something
back
to
always
this.
You need a back
I
yeah.
kinda hope there is.
I didn't even.
I used to say back in the day, is like I need a new back from the
Sears.
I
Remember
need.
Yeah.
The Sears wishbone.
Sears, they had a wishbone.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. Christmas time.
Like I need to order. a
Isn't
new
that where he
back
got his knee from?
Didn't all department
Yeah,
stores have those
right?
kind of
Yeah,
things?
it's a joke, huh?
Oh,
Yeah, but the wish
uh-huh.
book was the.
Yeah, the thing you want to give, then you mark the
Yeah,
pages,
yeah.
circle things. Yeah, that was.
We used to do that back when we were kids,
We still
remember?
had that just
What?
As soon as you get the Sears catalog,
Oh, yeah.
you were always.
Yeah, you're making your Christmas
Yeah.
list.
Through the wish book.
Dude, I would like to go
I
back
wish
through.
I had that and that and that and that and that and that and that.
I would
And
like
I
to
never
go
got it.
back through and. Oh my gosh! Look at the toys that are. That are in there. You know what I mean? Just look back on one.
At least
thing.
back in the day, all the toys were in there we could afford.
Yeah.
Now everything's electronics.
Puerto Rico football.
Isn't Joe kind of young to have
Mattel football.
You're funny, dude.
Mattel basketball.
all these problems?
You're hilarious.
What?
What did you just put a pin
He
in
is.
his shoulder?
I didn't
You're
put it-
ridiculous, dude.
What are you talking about?
Hopefully it focuses in.
Dude, I did not put any pins.
Oh, stop it, dude.
That's so great.
Weren't the legs crossed on that thing?
I don't remember how the
I
doll
remember
was
crossing the
sitting.
legs saying that, because of the dress and everything. I didn't touch that thing.
Weird is that what you recall? Obviously, dude, you had to because I complained about my shoulder hurting, and all of a sudden I come out here and there's.
Yeah, I'd start
pins in
thinking
the
too.
shoulder.
As soon as I see that.
Well, you must have did it.
No, I didn't do them.
Joe, I
It could
swear,
be either
I
one
did
of them
not
the way
put
it
any
looks.
pins in your shoulder.
He could do it just for this
Well, obviously
pity.
they didn't have by himself.
And Larry could do it just to get at
It was
him.
right in front of you. When could I have done it?
Well, I don't know when I wanted to go grab my cat.
What's he
my
getting a
wallet.
little man, isn't he?
I didn't do it. Did you do it?
Tom's not going to admit
It
to
was right
anything.
there. I didn't
Well,
know
he
your
didn't do it.
shoulder
He had
was
the
hurting
camera.
you.
He had the camera in his hand, so he could have done it. So it had to have been you.
It wasn't me, dude.
Dude, you can say it all you want, but
It's
this
gotta be purely coincidental,
It
right?
has to be.
Explain
Yeah.
how
Freaky.
explain how they're in there.
I don't know how it's
I
in
wish
there.
that focused in a little bit better.
But I need to focus on a little bit more though. The fact that they are in there, my shoulder hurts.
Well, take them out then.
That's right.
Yeah,
That's
see if
right.
it doesn't, and see if the pain goes away immediately.
Tom, did you do this earlier?
No.
Well,
Elaborate,
how
Tom.
my
Now,
shoulder was hurting.
I don't know. Did you tell him?
No.
was that the knee or was that the
Oh,
shoulder?
no, that's-
Can you do it? Or you
I don't know. I don't know what the other rules.
I don't know.
I guess the person if the person put them in has to take them out.
Oh,
Is that what you're saying?
I didn't know
No.
that, but no, I don't,
I
think
don't
just
think so.
pull that shit
I
out.
don't know. I don't know anything
Yeah.
about it.
My shoulder's still.
We're not into
hurts, so it's
voodooism.
not solving any
I'm
problems.
gonna cross your legs back over.
He took 'em
because
out?
Larry doesn't look up the skirt. Way to go, cross the legs.
There. All right. You happy?
Stop.
They're just crossed because that's how I sit naturally.
Yeah.
See?
That was, I'm gonna have to turn around.
No. I think that, I don't know why you put them in there. Dude,
If
come
I
on.
seriously, if I put them in there, I would have told you I put them in there.
Yeah,
I just love to see them two argue over it.
You know, James McCarthy,
Trying to figure out what it is and who it is.
A few minutes ago.
Did you hear that?
I'm coming here, laying on my
What was that
shoulder.
noise?
I don't know, it was like a groan or
And I
something.
magically vaporized and came out here and put pins in your right shoulder.
Yeah, like a ninja, dude. You're.
Oh, come on.
There's only, and I know
Oh,
there's
man, that's a
two
little
of them.
freaky.
No, there's
What the
one
hell's
that
that?
goes
Yeah, there's like an orb flying around.
Joe, I didn't do anything.
Well, then why is my shoulder hurt now?
Because you
See it?
obviously.
It's right there.
Yes.
It's all in your head, dude.
It is right by
It's all
him.
in my head,
No,
but
it's
it's
a
not
light.
my
That's a
knee.
No, I
light.
see that, yeah.
You're trying to do something right now. You're trying to pull
Oh,
some
shit,
kind
maybe
of
we
prank
did
on me or
start
something
some.
like that. Like
That'd be
you
great.
come out here, you put them in the
I'm not
shoulder.
trying to pull any prank, dude.
I think
I'm
we should
literally now
start
freaked
something.
out.
Now they're
Like,
fighting.
in all honesty,
Good, I
if
like
you
it when
didn't
they
put 'em in-
fight.
No, I need you to tell me the truth, because if you didn't put him in the shoulder,
I swear I didn't put
then
them
I'm gonna freak out, dude, because my shoulder's been hurting me all day.
He's a little
and my knees
testy,
don't
isn't
hurt anymore all of a sudden.
Right.
Is that not weird to you?
And that's what I'm saying.
Does that not freak you out a little bit?
Well,
It
it
is
doesn't
weird, Joe.
freak me out except for
Well,
that
it
the
should-
fact
Alright.
that you earlier put them in there and then you come over here and all of a sudden act like your shoulders hurting you.
Right.
Kind of play some kind
Could
of
be
joke
both
on
of you.
me and Tom.
Alright, well, I can see exactly how you can feel that way, but that's not at all what's going on. I thought you put him in there to mess around me, right? So, how about this?
What?
Let's just get rid of
Maybe
it.
this
Let's
wasn't a
get
good
rid of it
idea.
because...
Why? This is good. I love this.
Obviously something going on. My shoulders hurt now. My knees feel great. The pins aren't in there anymore. Let's just get rid
Where'd
of
that
it.
orb go, though?
But what
Let's
if
get
we
rid of this.
what if we started something? I do
Yeah.
believe in
It's all
in spirits and
coincidence.
stuff. There could be. Oh, is he going to throw it away? Oh, I don't know if that's a good idea.
I don't think that does
If
away
it's
with
real,
stuff,
though,
even
like,
if it was
what
something,
does
which
that
I
mean?
doubt it is.
You get thrown in the trash. You wake up in a dumpster. I don't understand.
Oh, that'd be great.
It's really
That-
smelly like trash.
Ooh,
Well, wait a second.
dumpster dive, man.
What are you doing?
Well, you got a point.
Hey, here, stop. Stop with your jokes. This is not a laughing matter right now.
Okay, they're freaking me out a little
Yeah,
bit.
no, this is good
Face
though.
off. I mean, rip his face
No.
off, then it's not me anymore.
Well, suppose it is really you. Then all of a sudden, what? You wake up with boils on your face. You wake up with no face. An accident happens. I
Well,
mean,
what am I supposed to do then, Larry? What am I supposed to, I can't do anything about it now because now I have voodoo all over myself?
well,
This is great.
Well,
Look, dude. All I can say is like just put
This
it back
makes my
here.
day.
I mean, let's just make it comfortable.
I'm double thinking
How are you double thinking it?
because
No
we
pins in
might.
it,
This
no
might have
pins.
started something
Just
that's
leave it
No,
Just
it's all
good.
coincidence. Don't worry.
Fat things that are.
Hon, there's things that happen that are unexplained all
I
the
agree.
time.
Like that little orb that was flying around in there. That one,
Right.
I haven't
yeah.
put any pins in it. I have not put any pins other than the time.
But isn't it nice to see these two arguing over something we
I
did?
was sitting right in front of you.
In a way, but in the other way,
Oh,
it's
come
not.
on. Don't be sympathetic.
I just think it's weird that there's pins in there.
I'm getting a little concerned now.
I'm not.
Well, how
Kind of
come
happy
I
about it.
told you it wasn't Tom because Tom he had the camera in his hand. It couldn't have been him.
So
And it's good that they're pointing the finger at Tom too. Every one of them could be guilty.
A joke, though. I mean,
You call me
seriously.
out on it. I promise you I'm not. I
Well,
mean, it's
just leave it there. Then it's no big deal.
If it's
Right.
comfortable, you'll be
Just leave it
comfortable.
alone.
Then everybody's happy, right?
Exactly.
All right, we can't do this anymore. It's not a good idea.
What are you talking about?
Huh?
You're taking it too serious.
Because there are things like that happen. We don't know everything, you know.
So he had a sore shoulder. He had a sore knee.
We might have made
It's
a
all-
mistake.
No, wait, no. He played football in high school, correct? So he had bad knees. He always wears flip-flops, so that gives him bad knees. He just ran back to the house to fix a TV that had broke, that the kids that had fallen off the wall.
Right, it could be
So-
coincidental, but you saw that little light.
I seen
that
the
was
orb
going,
flying
and then
around.
I heard a groan or like
that,
some
right.
kind of noise, like a deep.
But that
like
could have
a-
been Tom farting. Or Larry
No,
farting or
no,
something
it was
like that.
not. I'll play it back again.
No, I don't need to hear it again. No,
I'm
you're playing
telling
too
you.
much into this.
I think we need to just leave this alone and I don't know. It's just kind of like I don't want to keep repeating myself, but it's like we might have started something.
It didn't start nothing. This is all coincidence. Just let it go, and enjoy it, because this is something that we've did, and we're reaping the benefits from it. Because I'm laughing.
Well, you
I'm
can
happy.
enjoy it.
Oh, and you're not going to enjoy it.
I'm thinking that maybe it was a bad idea for me to suggest.
So what do you
to
got to
put
do? You got to get the
little
doll
things
back,
in.
and then like.
No, I'm not.
Or-
I think we should just leave it alone.
It's kind of hard to do because it's already in motion.
No, it isn't that
Can you
hard
give
to
a
do.
dog-
You just stop doing.
Is there like something you give them for diarrhea? So like.
Jeff!
Well, I mean, I don't know.
We'll have to think about this.
We'll have to think about it. Either way, it made my evening.
Yeah.
Not yours, but it made
Oh,
mine.
well.
Right?
Okay.
All right.
Well, you can close
Why?
it.
Because you're pissy now.
No, I'm not pissy. I'm just a little leery now. That's all.
All right.
So.
Either way, everybody have a great day and a good life. But I don't think Terry is, because now she'll be the rest of the night. You're
I'm
gonna
going to be thinking about
bothering
it. Yeah.
And tonight I'll sleep like a baby because it really isn't phasing me in the least. So I think it's a good thing. It's actually cracking me up. You can't tell,
Okay.
but I'm laughing on the inside.
All right.
All right.
Thank you for watching.
Yep. Thanks for watching. Everybody have a great day and a good life.